Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to upload high quality video and photo on IMO. Let's get started. So if you want to upload high quality video or photo on your IMO application, then what you can do is just simply open up your IMO app. And after opening up your IMO application, what you can do is just tap on your profile icon, which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, now what you can do is just tap on settings, and inside your settings what you have to do is just tap on storage and data. And after tapping on storage and data, here you can find this option, which is photo upload quality. Just tap on photo upload quality, and now you can change your quality. So if you keep it on data saver mode, it will lower your video quality or your photo quality. So what you can do is just change it to high quality, and this will fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to upload high quality video and photo on IMO. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.